Today in this video, I have found a glitch that can erase all of the objects in Goat Simulator, and we're gonna try that out. Okay, so first let me just change into a classic goat, aka the penguin, and then let me just connect this truck fast as possible. And I already missed. Okay. So let me just wait and explain to you more, like, what am I even talking about? So I have, like, found a glitch a few months ago that if you do like that and just wait for the truck to go inside a tunnel and it just goes back to its place, it just, this penguin will lag so much that it just goes all over goatville, like just like half of it. And it, and the first message thing is, it's a like Michael Bay kaboom, because it's from the gas stations. And as you can see, all of the objects are literally gone, instead of those objects that the NPCs are standing on, or that the objects are like a bit far away or something. So let me just do it for the second time, and it doesn't really lag much at the second time or something. But yeah, all the objects from goatville are gone, completely gone. So let me just do it for like the third time, and I think I'll end it for the fourth time, is because, yeah. Okay, last one, and then I'll just check if every object are gone or if they are still there. Nice crack I have. Yeah, I do crack sometimes. Also making a video, and I think that's my first time cracking on a video. I don't really know, but yeah. Okay, now release. And as you can see, few of these objects, like the crate, is like still there. And also this chair, the chair's like still there. Every time I see an object, I just had to headbutt or something. And look, party without an object. Also just call this party without an object and stuffs. And I've unlocked the party crasher without touching a single object. Just a living NPC. Interesting. Wee, fireworks. I wasn't that high. Okay, let me just slide on that slide. And just call it a day, I guess. And I'm at the one slide. Okay. Let me just jump, ragdoll, or it ragdoll itself, okay? Look, Mom. I land on a road, Mom. What the hell is going on here? They are still sitting there. Even that this guy with a chair doesn't even disappeared. If I've done the glitch things for like 4 times. But their chair are gone. Regular family dinner. That doesn't make any sense. Coffee Stain Studio, because what is this? Why is there a little picture of a fox, like a painted fox or a wolf? I don't understand what it is. I think it's a fox. It's like immortal. It is completely immortal. You can't even break it or something. I think they add the immortal things by accident, or if they're doing it on purpose, I guess. But look at that. All of the objects are gone. instead of these two. Wait, so let me just go to the Coffee Stain Studios house little things or the studio itself. They're standing while the family is like sitting. And there's the same fox painting. That is immoral. How's that certainly impossible? Well, it doesn't have a fox painting thing is. And also the craziest part is that there are like 3 of those painted fox in Goatville that is like completely immoral. No, I mean completely, not completely something immoral. How? How? Okay, let me just do like that, and it's always start glitching, which is I think Goat Simulator added to make this classic goat or the penguin to make it completely completely laggy, and I'll call this penguin the most laggiest goat in the whole game. And second of all, the boxes are still there, or crate, wooden box, also called crate in the box. Okay, there's nowhere a basketball like Solan like so hold on, what the heck am I even saying? Okay, so we got a basketball here. We also got this unbreakable core. And we like it hasn't even touched, and that's why I called it unbreakable core. Or if I set it on accident. Now it's not now it's like not alive, it's like broken or something. Okay, I will just leave it. What about the daily routine? Still there. Wait, all of the pieces that has been connected are still there or something? Cause it hasn't been like touched really much by truck penguin glitch thingies. Strange. So okay, so there are like literally no object at this ring fight things, but I'll not get the crown at this time. And the whole goat stone things are gone also. The mushrooms are gone. And almost everything was like almost every object are gone instead of those both chair and the crate object. But let me just go on construction site. What the hell? What the hell is this? Barrel still there. No, barrel, not barrier, but still there. Why is it unbreakable? That makes zero sense. No, actually, that makes zero sense. It's because is the bell connected to that woman? And now she's literally sitting there. Like nothing ever happened. Kissy Cox. Okay, so there's a floating dandelion. A floating damn dandelion that is completely not touchable. How awesome. That barrel low keep pissing me off because why does it even connect? Why was it even connected to that woman? Doesn't make any sense. Okay, so let me just go on the 2nd floor. And where's that hole? The hole is gone. From that green Mario pipe. Okay, so let me just go on the 3rd floor. or something, because like the second floor thing is like completely empty, and I think like the third one too, I believe. And yes, it is completely gone, like of the object. What about the last top thingies? Okay, so the jetpack thing is still there. Okay. Because it is like a movable object. If you touch it, you'll become the jetpack. Go like this. Jetpack. Nice jetpack. Wow. Ragdoll vending machine. Wow, that's so amazing. Okay, there's no way in this little gas station store. It is completely empty that I could just live there if I have the homeable object thingies. But let's just focus on the objects instead of something. Free ball from the bat thingies, or the baseball bat, are still there. Because they are immortal. They are not movable. That doesn't make any sense. No, actually, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so the object here are gone. Favorite humans. Interesting. No bench, cause no one sits there. Hannah Wild. Wilder. Whatever. Okay, so what haven't I checked? The Mario pipe. Oh yeah, right, the Mario pipe. But what about this little castle thingies? It doesn't have an object there. It is only with goats and stuffs, not stuff. Okay, so let me just do like that. Lick the whole this pipe. Ragdoll. I've learned that from my brother, by the way, if he has tried Goat Simulator. There we go. Easy way to go inside without a pipe, like the holes. Let me check, and what you look at that, guys. Object still there for some reasons. Because it is like a bit far away from the penguin truck collisions thingies. Not collisions, but yeah. The boxes are still there, the dumpsters, the barrels are still there or something. And yeah, that's pretty crazy. And now let me just go to that fan to get out of there. And right before I get out, let me just put on slow motions. And as you can see, I'm about to fall, and I don't want to change my height and stuff. So I want to be as a Valentino or a flamingo. One's my favorite animal. And let me just get out safely and be as a regular goat. Normal and regular are like the same, right? I got notifications, but not now. I thought there was like something else. But let's just focus on the video instead. Okay, so every object are gone instead of like the under things like at the science lab, and those both chair and the cart box thingies, like that human who has stand on it, like still there. And also the daily routine thingies. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you liked the glitch penguin truck things video, and see you later, guys. Goodbye.